Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making boneless chicken wings, or is it a chicken tender, or I don't know. Whatever it is, this is pretty good. So let's get in today's video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Let's get in today's video. Okay, so what we're going to do is set up our dredging station. One thing you need to do is be sure that you season all your layers. So I'm going to put just a little bit of salt and pepper in my flour layer. Just using kosher salt and black pepper. And then I'm adding just a little bit of cornstarch. Just to incorporate that good. Okay, that's my flour. Now for my next layer, we're using buttermilk, and eggs. In this layer, we are adding paprika, garlic, and Cajun seasoning. Because that's where you want all your flavor to really adhere to your seasoning. And because the Cajun seasoning already has some salt in it, we're not going to add more salt to it. All right. I'm going to try to bring you out far enough so you can catch all the action we got going on here. Now, in our last layer over here, I have just plain panko. I'm not going to add a ton of seasoning to this, if any, because the outer layer is going to have barbecue sauce on it. Remember the barbecue sauce that we made over here? I will link that video up in the card up here, and so if you haven't seen that, go back and watch that after you watch this video, and so that will have a ton of flavor on the outside as well. All right, I'm going to move y'all back a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see all the action here. All right, so what you want to do is drop your little chicken. I've cut my chicken breast up into 1-inch pieces. Okay, and you're going to, well, let's do this first. Be sure and spray your tray really good, because it will stick. All right, and you're gonna drop it down into your buttermilk mixture, an egg mixture, and then drop it into your panko. And align your tray up. You totally could use tongs here, but I'm kind of get my fingers down into my work here, top gal. And then just fill your tray up. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it filled. All right, what I'm gonna do is put it in here for 400 for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check it and turn it over, and then probably cook it for another 10 minutes. See you back in 10 minutes. Okay, so first 10 minutes is up. We're gonna pull them out. Oh, look at that. Aren't those pretty? We're gonna turn them over. These are about done. I'm gonna put them, spray them, cook them just for a couple more minutes, but these are about done, guys. And then we're gonna toss them in some barbecue sauce. Hit them with a little bit more oil. I'm just going to cook these for a couple more minutes. When we come back, we will toss these in some barbecue sauce and be ready to go. Okay, I've heated up some of my barbecue sauce that we made the other day. I'm going to drizzle some of that over it. We're just going to stir it up. Remember that ranch dressing we made? I'll link that video right here. Dip a little bit of that ranch in there. Perfect boneless wings. I know, it's not really a wing. Did y'all hear the story about the kid who went before city council to say, stop calling them chicken wings? They're not really chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed today's video to make boneless chicken wings, chicken nuggets, whatever you want to call them. I hope you will give these a try. They are really good. Whatever you call them. What do you call them? comment in the comments below. Whatever you call them, these things are amazing. I hope you will give them a try. Utilize your air fryer. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen.